Hello, I'm Montserrat from Alchemy Clinic. I am the co-owner and lead practitioner, and what we do here is traditional Chinese medicine as well as 5-element functional medicine. I want to answer some of the frequently asked questions today because they are frequently asked, and now you'll know before you even come in for your first session or before we talk for your free consultation. So, of course, the first question about acupuncture in particular is whether it hurts. And the answer is no. The needles are very fine. They're thinner than what you expect with like a shot. It takes 40 acupuncture needles to fit inside a hypothermic needle, which is the shot needle, the one with the hole in it. So most people don't feel a whole lot. Sometimes you feel some sensation of pressure or a change in sensation, like if your blood flow changes a little bit. But for the most part, it's very painless and very little sensation until your body shifts. So what tends to happen is that during the session, about 10 minutes in, all of your body chemistry shifts and you start getting endorphins, it's a big one, and a lot of other chemicals in your body that are self-healing. And as you get into that state, you start to feel like I put something in the needle. But really what you're experiencing is your own medicines being activated by your body. So the way to think about it is that the acupuncture is like a micro trauma, and the body sends everything that it can to the area to try to help whatever's going on. And then once it figures out, let's say that there's inflammation, then more anti-inflammatory components in your body start getting activated, and it creates a cascade and kind of a domino effect or a snowball effect of those medications that you make. So nothing's in the needle. Another frequently asked question is whether the needles are reused. The answer is no, absolutely not. The needles are one-time use, and they are sterilized in ethyl oxide, which means that they come in like a blister pack, like you would see even at a doctor's office for a traditional shot. And then once we use them once, we throw them into a sharps container, and they get disposed of like medical waste. Let's see, another frequently asked question is often how long a session's gonna take, and the simple answer is within an hour. So sometimes your treatment lasts a little longer if we're doing a little bit of extra therapy like cupping or something that's more physical, or it can last about 40 minutes. And the idea is that once you get the needles into the body and you're starting to rest, you get about 25-30 minutes to really let that do its work. And then we just dose it depending on what your condition is. So if you have something like pain, you're going to need to come a little more frequently because we don't want to give the body a chance to go back to what it was doing before. If you're coming for something like women's health, some sort of hormone concern or fertility, then we usually do weekly treatments and we're following the phases of your cycle. So we can cater the acupuncture treatment to whatever condition that we're working on.